Hi guys, what's up? It's Annabelle. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a deep cleaning my room video. You guys always seem to love these whenever I post them, so I figured this would be such a great way to start a new month. So happy July 1st, or I think it's July 5th when you guys are seeing this. Summer has flown by so quick. I can't even like comprehend that it's already July. I think that's insane. But I deep clean my room every single Sunday, so I figured I would record it for you guys. I also look like a complete mess, so just disregard that. Today's been honestly a really rough day and I look like such a mess right now. So I knew that I wanted to clean my room today because I knew it would kind of put me in a different headspace and make me feel a little bit better and make me feel like my life's together. I swear when my room is clean and everything is like organized, I just feel so much better and I think I can sleep better, honestly. I know that deep cleaning videos or deep cleaning TikToks usually really motivate me to clean my room as well, and I like to put them on my TV or my laptop or my iPad or something and just like watch it while I'm also cleaning my room. The motivation of someone else doing it while I'm doing it at the same time just kind of helps. So I definitely recommend watching this video while cleaning your room. It'll make you feel so much better. So without further ado, be sure to subscribe if you're not already and turn on the post notifications so you never miss a video, and let's get into cleaning. This is the current setup. This coffee can is literally empty. Like I said, I was using a candle top as a coaster. Uploading a video. This water bottle, guys, it's so gross. Well, actually it's not gross. It's just water, but it has chia seeds in it. And I was drinking it the other day and didn't finish it, so I can honestly just throw it away because I'm not going to drink it anymore. So I don't want you guys to freak out and be like, literally, what is that in the water? Chia seeds are good for water. You should try it. I literally have like my contacts, my glasses, like that looks so gross, you guys, but I promise you it's not. That's literally a giant water bottle that had this powder stuff in it. It was my green powder, so it was a green juice. That's why it looks dark at the bottom. All of those clothes I'm actually going to be listing on Depop. I've probably already done it by the time you're watching this video, so go check out my Depop if you want to shop my clothes. I'm always adding on there because I clean out my closet every couple months, so go check it out if you haven't already. My bed sheets need to be washed. I literally love washing my sheets. It just makes me feel so much better. So I have my planner, some snacks, shoes, the dog gate, his water bottle, some more shoes. I have some PR packages that I want to show you guys, so we can do that. Yeah, there's just so much to clean. We are going to be washing the sheets. You guys can hear the thunder, it's literally storming. But we're going to be washing the sheets, organizing the drawers, wiping down the surfaces, and going through clothes, putting clothes away. I don't organize my drawers every single Sunday though, if you guys are wondering. This is literally just my routine of if it was a new month. But every single Sunday I wipe down surfaces, vacuum, and like wash clothes and my sheets and stuff. So this is the extended version, if that makes sense. We're gonna get to cleaning. There's a lot to get done. I have to unpack from the weekend too, because I was away this weekend. So let's get to going. Let's do it.
Cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue.
Okay guys, so far I have thrown my sheets in the wash, wiped all of the surfaces around my bed, the nightstands, cleaned both of those, and I just finished over here. I cleaned the mirror, the surfaces, everything. Now I'm gonna move on to my little desk area because it is probably the worst mess out of all of them. So yeah, I hope you're cleaning your room with me.
Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take.
Okay guys, so a super quick update. This is what my room is looking like. My couch is no longer covered with stuff, and that's looking gorgeous over there. That is such a mess, but I need to list all those clothes, so that will soon be cleared up. But I have all this stuff right here. This was some of the stuff that was on my couch, and I'm gonna unbox these packages to show you guys really quick. Totally forgot my Addies right there. And then I have some other stuff on the bed, and that's my bag I need to unpack from the weekend. And yeah, everything's looking pretty clean. Can't wait to vacuum, and this like needs to go. There's literally like the biggest smudge on this mirror, and I'm gonna Windex that away. And I'm also filming a reel, so if you guys aren't following my Instagram or my TikTok, be sure to go check them out, because I'm always posting reels and little TikToks. I love doing little like Sunday resets and fun little, like, I don't even know how to explain it, like clean with me's, or just the most random aesthetic fun quick reels, TikToks, whatever. So go check me out. It'll be down below and on the screen. Okay, so I have it going on my phone. I'm going to unpack this. I have so much stuff, guys. This was all of my bathroom stuff that can go. Y'all, look at this cute little cooler that Drunk Elephant sent me. It has like, what is going on? Oh, it has like my sunscreen and stuff in here. But look at these, my two little Drunk Elephant bags. They're so cute. And then honestly, there was also just like some random stuff thrown on my couch, and I literally just put everything in this bag, because I kind of unpacked a little bit because I had to use my stuff in this bag, and then I took all my laundry out and I did my laundry, but like there's some random stuff, so I'm just gonna go through it and I'll update you guys once I've put all the stuff away.
I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Okay guys, I'm about to unbox these packages. So first I have this one from Elemis. I don't want to be in the frame of my reel. I was so excited to receive this collection. It's the London collection. The box that it came in looks like a little telephone booth. It looks like this. I'm obsessed with their products. I'll link these products below though, because Elemis is so good, and you guys definitely want to check it out if you're looking for new products to add into your routine. Okay, next I received, this is actually 2 packages in one, because one of them I already opened and threw the packaging away. WNP Eyewear, and they're out in Arizona, and they just sent me over some sunglasses. These are so cute. And then these, and these actually remind me of my old Ray-Bans that I lost. So I was so excited when they sent these over. And every single time you purchase from their company, it goes towards an animal in need, Arizona Humane Society. I think that's the cutest thing ever. And then this next package is from Philip Kingsley, and it looks like they sent over some Pure Blonde Booster, and then they also sent over the conditioner. elasticizer. It says adds elasticity and bounce to fine, medium and coarse hair. I love receiving Alani's PR or just like products from them in general. They have amazing stuff, but they sent over some more energy drinks. Tropsicle, and I think they sent over the Hawaiian shaved ice. Yeah, that's what this one is. But Hawaiian shaved ice was my first one that I tried of theirs. Okay, and our final PR package is from Curology. It says the search for perfect sunscreen is over. So I guess they released a sunscreen. And guys, they literally sent Cheerios over. That's so cute. And then here's the sunscreen. It says kind to acne prone skin. Literally what I need. So, ooh, it smells good. I like the smell of sunscreen. Is that weird? Okay, you guys, so I just organized this like literally a couple days ago. I need to take these out and put these on top. This is my little skincare fridge, guys. And then this is a little thing that I use for my plant. It's in the window right now, you guys can't see it, but I have a little sunflower plant and I broke it tonight by accident. And then that's all organized. Literally the other day I took everything out and wiped down the cabinet and organized my whole desk. That over there, you guys, needs some serious organizing. But honestly, I don't think I can get into that right now because it's gonna stress me out. These are organized. Those are empty, I'm pretty sure. There's like nothing in those. And then, pretty positive that these are organized. Literally my t-shirts. Socks. Guys, look how cute these are. These shorts. They're from Brandy. I got them the other day. They have little strawberries on them. I honestly thought they were tomatoes for a minute when I got them, but they're strawberries. I think they're so cute. Brandy has literally the most comfy sleepwear. I love the little shorts. Biker shorts, socks. Workout stuff, and my going out tops. Or like some of them. Most of these are like just Revolve stuff that can't be hung. Like I told you guys that I was gonna organize my drawers, but like honestly I don't think they really need them. Like, or need it actually. Sweatpants. Honestly, like my room gets pretty messy, but like my drawers usually stay pretty organized and pretty clean. And I really think it's because of those IKEA drawer organizers. I got them a long time ago. And if you've watched my previous cleaning my room videos, I organized my room using those, or organize like my drawers using them. I'll link them below because they're literally so amazing. That's how like this always stays so organized, because of those little organizers. They're amazing. But I really thought I had a drawer organization deal, but I guess I don't. So that's actually a really big relief. I really just need to get all of this up on Depop and sold. I literally have so many pairs of like little Lulu shorts that I never wear. Like these have probably been worn once. Saw that, but I just put pillowcases on the pillow. I call them pillows. I don't know, but I just put them on there. Y'all, I literally cleaned my mirror I like put Windex on it and vacuumed my room, and my camera died. I didn't even know my camera died. So I thought that I was like filming the whole time, but I was also focused on creating the reel that I like didn't even process it. But my room is all clean now. But guys, look at this little mask. It's on Amazon. It's not mine. My friend Bryn let me borrow it. She's an esthetician and I literally trust her with my life. But you sit under it for 20 minutes. There's a bunch of different colors and I use red and blue. It's literally amazing. Looks kind of orange, but there's a green. Yeah. I think it's so cool though. She's letting me borrow it right now because my skin is totally out of control, but also I've been debating whether or not I want to buy an LED face mask for my skin, and I'm definitely going to get one after this. I'm literally obsessed with this, but this exact one is on Amazon. I'll link it below. I'm going to shower and go to bed. So I guess this is like kind of the end of this video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. My room's clean now. Hello. If you guys want anything linked, just let me know, and I'll try my best to link a lot of stuff, like my bedding and stuff, in the description box. But also a lot of stuff is on my Amazon storefront, so if you're not following on there, go check it out and you guys can see all my favorite Amazon. I literally order off Amazon every single day, so everything's on there. And yeah. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it motivated you to clean your room. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos like this. I'm gonna start doing one every single month. You guys will be seeing these more often. And then I also do the little cleaning reels like every week on my Instagram and my TikTok. Shameless self-promo. Okay, love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.